Hey guys, Steve from Kawi Performance. Let's program some keys on the new 310. First step, guys, you're going to remove the rivets on this battery cover here, and you're going to take this cover off. It's a little difficult, but we took the rivets out already, and you're going to pull the cover off just like this. Now we have everything exposed in the battery tray. You see this little dongle here with this cap. We're going to pull that cap off just like that, and we're going to get ready to install our KA2 adapter. Make sure when you purchase this on our website, you get the KA2 adapter for the brand new 310. Next step is we have our KA2 programming adapter, and we have our key programming tool. We're going to install the key programming tool in here. Wait for the click. And now we're going to install the KA2 key programming adapter on the plug down in the battery tray. Okay, now we're ready to program some keys. Now you're going to take your original keys. It doesn't matter which one you use, but it has to be an already registered key that we put in first. So we're going to put the black key in as our first, and we're going to get one beep, and then we're going to move through the sequence and program all these keys, and then we'll finalize it. There's our first beep. Put our yellow key in. Second beep. Three keys are programmed. 4 keys are programmed. 5 keys are programmed. 6 keys are programmed. We're going to push and hold. Dash reset. Everything turned off. Pull out the key. That means everything's programmed. Now we're going to remove our key programming tool and adapter, and we're going to show you, we're going to fire up the machine with one of these random keys here. Now we're going to remove the key programming tool and adapter here. Put the cap back on. Close this back up for the moment. Okay, now let's fire it up. All right, we're gonna grab a random key here. We're just gonna make sure that the keys were programmed correctly. So I'd say let's grab the pink key. Make sure everything works. Looks like it worked to me. Thanks for watching the video. As you can see, super easy to program new keys on your Kawasaki Ultra 310.